Hi there. Thanks for your question. So what we're doing is we are dividing 8y to the 1/3 all to the power of 2 divided by y to the power of 4 over 15. The first thing that we want to do is get rid of the brackets. And to get rid of the brackets, we're going to apply that power of 2 to the 8. So we'll get 8 to the power of 2. And we're also going to apply that to the 1/3, and we know by our exponent rules that when you're applying it to the 1/3, you're multiplying. So it's like saying 2 over 1 times 1 over 3, so that's going to give us 2 over 3 as the new exponent for the y. I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller so that it does look like the exponent 2/3. There we go. So we've taken away the brackets and we haven't done anything with the bottom number yet, y to the 4/15. What I want to do is I'm going to simplify this. 8 to the power of 2 is the same as saying 8 times 8, so that's going to give us 64. And then we have y to the 2/3 divided by y to the 4/15. Okay, so we're getting closer. Now what we can do is we have like bases here, and the rule is that when you're dividing with like bases, it's the same as subtracting the exponent in the numerator, subtract the exponent in the denominator. So y a minus b, that's the rule that we're looking at. So how that transfers over to this one is that we're going to have y to the power of 2/3 minus 4/15. In order to do the subtraction, we need to have like denominators. So 15 is the common factor for both of these. So I'm going to change this. 2/3, I'm going to say 3 goes into 15 5, so 5 times 2 gives me 10. So 10 over 15 is an equivalent fraction to 2/3 minus 4/15, and then that will give me y is equal to 6/15. So not y is equal to, but y to the power of 6 over 15. Now this fraction can be reduced even further. 3 goes into 6 2, 3 goes into 15 5, and then now my exponent is reduced. So this becomes y to the power of 2/5. So we have 64 y to the power of 2/5. And that's the simplified version of this answer here. So the first thing again was to apply that 2 to everything inside the brackets, which we did. Then we simplified 8 to the power of 2 to give us 64. Then because we had like bases, when you're dividing by like bases, you just subtract the exponents, so 2/3 minus 4/15. We didn't have like numerators, so I had to create an equivalent fraction with 15 as the denominator. And then that gave us y to the power of 6 over 15, which got reduced to y to the power of 2/5. And we brought that into the answer here. So I hope that helps with your question. Again, little by little, just break it down as you go, following the order of operations rules and the exponent rules. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.